DIY Gateway's wax melter can improve your candle making in several ways. First, our professional wax melter has one of the largest capacities available. It holds up to 17 plus pounds of melted wax. 2. This model is designed with premium heating elements that have been tested to last. Don't be fooled by similar copycat products that use small heating elements that will fail quickly. Invest in our melter and you'll save money in the long run. 3. Our wax melters use state-of-the-art thermostats to keep a more consistent wax temperature. Other melters use an inferior thermostat that shuts the heating element down for several minutes and causes inconsistency. Invest in our wax melter and get reliable wax heating. 4. Our wax melters are installed with nozzle spouts to help aim your pouring wax. Most other brands don't include this nozzle, which causes wax to pour out where it shouldn't go. Get our melter today and don't deal with messy pours. 5. DIY Gateway's wax melter is fitted with heat conductive spouts. This allows our spout to absorb heat faster and retain it much longer. Without our premium spouts, your wax is more likely to cool and clog up the spout. Don't be fooled by other brands using steel spouts. 6. Our holding tank is manufactured with a more heat-conductive metal, which is essential to keeping your wax melted. Many competitors use metals that don't retain heat as well. Get our melter and say no more to wax hardening around the bottom edges. 7. Unlike many other Chinese off-brands, DIY Gateway is a USA company that professionally machines and assembles here. Invest in our wax melter and utilize high-quality components known to last longer. 8. Order our wax melter and get peace of mind knowing it won't leak. All our melters are constructed with reliable high-quality seals. After being one of the original wax melter suppliers, we know how to create the best out there. Thank you for checking out our wax melter. Get yours today and we will also include our free ebook on how to make candles and candle making ideas guide. Plus you'll get a 90-day money-back guarantee.